So if Unity's autocomplete system isn't working in Visual Studio, it's quite an easy fix. So what you can do is just go open up Visual Studio normally, continue without code, and go to Tools, and then get Tools and Features. And in here it's going to open up the Visual Studio installer. Now from here, you're going to look for the game development with Unity. Make sure that is all installed. If it isn't, just check it and then click on Modify. And you may have to wait for a little bit. Once the installation is all done, you can now go into a random Unity project of yours. And once you're in the editor for any Unity project, you just have to go to Edit, go down to Preferences, and go to External Tools. And for the external script editor, just select Visual Studio. It may load for a little bit, and from there you could just open up any C# script in Unity. And when Visual Studio is done loading, the Intellisense should kick in and you will have autocomplete, and the different Unity structs and classes should be highlighted. So yeah, pretty simple. So that is really all there is to this video. Just a quick video for beginners out there. Some people do still have trouble with this, and it could be because they installed Visual Studio separately from Unity, and that's totally fine. So yeah, if you learned something new, hit like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.